Most sellers lead with their solution, and that's why they fail 97% of the time. And here's why. We get over 5,000 messages a day. We're overwhelmed with information. So the brain has to filter out that information. So what's the criteria that determines which messages get through? It's either something we know we need or a problem that we have. So here's the key to engaging the decision maker. You need to lead with their whiteboard. Engaging the decision maker is about alignment and not about selling. We need to find out what's on their whiteboard. Think about it sitting in their office, something on the side of the wall. It's about what they want and their plan to get there. And if you can say something that's related to what's on their whiteboard, they're going to pay attention. You'll get their attention 100% of the time. That begs the question, how do you know what's on the decision maker's whiteboard? Well, in a perfect world, you'd have a relationship within the account and you could just ask them. You could say, what does the decision maker care about? What are they working on? What are their challenges? What are the problems they have? Right? And then you can just lead with that. But in the real world, most of the time, we don't know that. So what we need to do is study the people that we are serving, right? Everybody you serve has a specific role. People in that same role have similar challenges. So if you continue to study them and research and know what's required to be successful in that role and what are the biggest challenges they face, you will be able to guess what's on their whiteboard and your engagement rates will skyrocket.